You know how human babies suck their thumbs for comfort? Well, us elephants do something similar, but with a twist that helps them learn about their world and find peace. It's truly a sight to behold. A baby elephant, or calf, will often suck its own trunk. It's a self soothing behavior, just like a human toddler finding comfort in their thumb. They do it when they're tired, stressed, or just trying to feel safe and secure within our herd. It might look a little clumsy at first, but it's a vital way for them to develop coordination and find security in our big, wonderful world. Bet you didn't know that about us. What should I tell you next?